Hai korang. So, I ada outfit change sebab I balik tadi, I mandi, sak busuk. So, kita nak pergi celebrate happy. Yay! Weh, budak ni dia lagi emo daripada aku Aku cerita tadi dia nangis. Bruh. Dia yang terharu. Lepas tu dia duduk pelak-pelak aku tadi. Okay. Weh, ambil aku A- tu. Percaya tu. Aku tinggal soalan 10 markah tau. Aku tak payah marah. Nampak sangat. Okay, so kita orang kat ayah dua. Kita nak pergi Yakinikokuro. Sebab Umi tanya nak makan apa. I'm like, Wagyu. Okay, it's like right there. We love Wagyu kat Yakinikokuro. Yeah. Weh, wangi tu. Oh my god. Okay, kita orang dah dekat Yakinikokuro. I claim Wagyu. Lepas kita lepas. Mami sudah ambil Wagyu. Sebab dia orang semua ambil yang biasa. 150 gram. Okay, Wagyu saya dah sampai. Apa? Baby? Baby warni. Yay, this is my Wagyu. Ini apa? Miso I don't want miso. Who wants miso? This one. Is it hot already? Satu untuk ayah, satu untuk Umi, satu untuk saya. Tapi ayah tak kena buka puasa kan? Kena buka puasa tak ada. Let me have my first bite. Ayah grilled kan. Okay, with nothing. Weh, sedap tu. Umi ambil satu sedap. Satu. Wagyu. Sedap. Ambil. Tak gila. Ayah kau ambil. I'll eat this little one. Ayah tu buka puasa tu pergi lagi, okay? Another piece. Tak gila. Ayah je green. Ayah duduk sini and still look pretty. Thank you. Apa? Let's eat. Tolong sangat kaki saya. Saya had too much fun today. Okay. Another Wagyu piece. Kita akan letak sedikit garam. Here. Sedap weh. Weh, makan garam sedap. Ayah, try it with garam. Rasa Wagyu dengan garam. Serius. Buburkan sekejap. Sedap gila. Okay, more Wagyu. I dah duduk sangat comfortable kaki. Dah menunjuk sebab dah groove. You want to see my posture right now? This is the baby right now. Kaki air sangat ni. Oh my god. Later. Suka hati aku lah. Ayah nak sama. Oh, ayah. Tak lah. Dekat buat pun lah tu orang Malaysia. Apa benda? Budak. Diorang ni kan. Cuba makan. So tadi kita were on the topic of Blood Brothers because my sister said macam biasa je. I watch it 2 times by the way. My sister macam biasa je. Tak ada dah 10 because the plot is predictable. But the thing is, the plot is not the plot. The main plot is the handsome guys. My main one is Pablo. Dia handsome gila nak mati. Sampai hari ni aku take ingat muka dia weh. Handsome gila. Kalau kau tak TikTok I semua I repost edit Pablo. That sounded wrong. Like I was so deep into like his content. I masuk live dia kat TikTok. I tengok dia orang punya interview. Obsessed. Waktu aku semua kena burukkan yang aku lagi takut mat. So good. Yes. Masya. Dia macam tak pahit sangat. Dia macam balance kan. Lengur. No, when you had too much fun that your body physically react to it. Yeah. Oh my god, I can do it like trend yang macam no, orang kata mom said come home by 8 PM. I got confused and brought home 8 AM. Tak boleh, aku kena tunggu aku check bio, aku tak pasti. Maybe let me send you that link sekarang sebab kawan pun dah hadiah dari check. Okay, by the way guys, kita orang sabar biar aku cakap nanti tak dengar. We're at like a random electronic store and kita jumpa like it is random. It's just like a random one. Okay, baik kita jumpa like kipas. Kau kena tengok ni kipas ni. Sabar. That's literally a storm, bro. Okay, tunjuk dulu. Okay, so ini adalah
This is how small it is.
Very compact. Tangan kau ke depan tu lah. Yeah, look, it's very compact. Kau tengok macam mana dia tembak tadi. Okay, tunjuk. It's like hey, I'm gonna have to blur that out, bro. But like. Stop.
Who would have these kind of fans?
Ni kuat nak mampus weh. Umi ni geng, kalau heat stroke tak ada lah. Reverse heat stroke. Umi kuat. Kuat. Sangat kuat. Okay, Iman decide to buy something. So I want this Snoopy plushie. Hijau je. Tapi I want anything Snoopy, so love it. Okay, I'm gonna claim the first thing using my Sleep SPM, which is 3 churros. So, buy one. This one. I already I'm gonna claim 3 churros. And also I got Snoopy for my sister. I've been watching Snoopy for so long. And that's a wrap for today. Thank you everyone. Okay, sumpah I penat gila and I'm like overstimulated as hell and overwhelmed. So I'm not gonna naik kereta dengan awal sebab she's making me overstimulated like to the max. Okay, don't mind this. Tapi I nak apa ni massage gun. I nak sakit kaki. So, I forgot I have this. Wah. Ke sakit sebab aku main benda ni lah? Tak, aku jalan ni lenguh ni. Sikit. Oh. Tak, sebab semalam hari tu aku suka benda ni dekat kaki. Duk main kat perut. It's the best. Ya. That's so good.
On the way, kau nak sampai semua.
Bye. Yeah, I'm gonna sit in this angle so that you guys cannot see my messy room. But I just got home from like a very... Okay, we celebrated tadi kan. So I just got home. No, not really. I got home a while ago. Tapi I better not be late. But yeah, I forgot. I wanted to show you guys my Glort mention. Kenapa benda ni? Majalah sekolah. I totally forgot. I'm on the cover, you guys. How many aura points did I gain? Ya Allah, aku lupa tau. Macam my family members can watch this vlog. Like, totally forgot about that. But yeah guys, how many aura points did I gain? Also, how many aura points did we gain 5S2 for being the best, having the best like senior page? Like ours is literally elite. You guys cannot tell me otherwise. It's just that it's just too good. And like too many people complimented us on this that I cannot. No guys, I'm just saying that I just really love my class. I just really love them so much. And like look at us guys. Look at me serving jawline. And look at me serving absolutely everything with my friends. Love it. We love to see it. People like it so much is because the the quality is like so good. Yang muka ni kan, kalau kau tengok nampak segala pori-pori gitu lah. I love my class. I love you guys. You guys are watching this. Love you guys. Okay, I think that's all I want to say. Also, check out. I think I said this multiple times, but I love this so much, you guys. You guys do not know. Ya Allah, you guys do not know how much I love Snoopy, and I finally have a Snoopy plushie of my own. Okay, I think that's all. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.